In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing on Gumroad products, guiding you step by step through the process. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to monetize their online presence by promoting products they truly believe in. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to navigate to the Gumroad website and click on the login button. Make sure you have your account details handy. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to do that first because you need to be logged in to access the full range of features. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your name or profile icon somewhere on the page. Go ahead and give that a click. This will take you to your account details, and from there you can explore various options related to your account. Now look for the affiliates section. This is the key area where you can manage all your affiliate links and settings for promoting products on Gumroad. Clicking on this will guide you to a new page dedicated to affiliate marketing. After you've accessed the affiliate section, the next step is to enable one of your products for affiliate marketing. What this does is it makes your product available for others to promote, potentially increasing your reach and sales. Choose one product you think would benefit from additional promotion and enable it. At this point, you'll need to set the commission percentage. This is the part where you decide how much of the sale price you're willing to share with your affiliates when they successfully promote and sell your product. Choose a percentage that is fair and incentivizing for those promoting your product, but also sustainable for your profit margins. After setting the commission, it's time to create your affiliate link. Simply click on the copy link button. This link is how your affiliates will direct potential buyers to your product, allowing them to earn a commission on each sale made through their referral. Don't forget to save any changes you've made to ensure the settings and information are correctly updated. It's crucial to click on save changes before moving on to the next steps, particularly after editing commission rates or any other details. With your changes saved, you can now return to the products page. Here you'll look for the affiliated option. This area will show you all the products that you have made available for affiliate marketing. It's your dashboard for managing what's out there in terms of affiliate promotion. Finally, if you haven't already joined other creators for promotion, you can click on Become an Affiliate for products you'd like to promote yourself. This expands your potential income streams and helps you learn from other successful products. That's it, you're now well on your way to becoming an adept affiliate marketer on Gumroad.